Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the heart of Singapore, where glass towers touch the sky, there exists a place where nature still speaks. Where wings replace walls and the air is filled with life. This is Singapore Bird Paradise, a sanctuary where the sky belongs to the birds. Reaching the bird paradise is pretty simple. The nearest and the most convenient MRT to the bird paradise is Khatib MRT station on the north-south line. Visitors can take the Mandai Khatib shuttle, which runs directly to the bird paradise, or may book a grab, watch the map and the show timings, and as per your interest, start your tour. On the left hand side is the Penguin Cove. We came back here at the last. We took the escalator and then the tram to the Crimson Wetlands. One may only opt for bird park ticket, or one may take a Singapore Zoo and Bird Paradise ticket, or there are many other options like night safari and bird park and many other options. I love the Singapore Bird Paradise, so I would like to spend the whole day here. Just at the entrance, descriptions of the birds are given. We watched an amazing Predators on the Wing show, which I will upload in one of our next vlogs, and then entered the Crimson Wetlands. As we step into the Crimson Wetlands, we find the nature to be painted with bold strokes. The scarlet ibis stand like living flames against calm waters, their reflections dancing with every ripple. Here time slows down, inviting you to pause, breathe and simply watch. As we step into the Crimson Wetlands, we find the nature to be painted with bold strokes. The scarlet ibis stand like living flames against. I was mesmerized by the beautiful flamingos. These flamingos are known for their vibrant pink plumage. Their pink coloration comes from pigments called carotenoids found in algae and brine shrimp they eat. Flamingos are not born to it. Their feathers rapidly lose color if their diet lacks these pigments or when they feed their chicks. They often stand long on one leg, a behavior that helps them conserve their body heat. There are several species of flamingos, including the greater and lesser flamingos, which can be found across Africa, South Asia, and parts of Europe. Many of these beautiful birds migrate to the Run of Kutch and many parts of India between October to March from Central Asia and Eastern Europe. The wetland also features a 20-meter waterfall and a simulated clay wall designed to showcase vibrant South American macaws and parrots, including the stunning hyacinth macaw. It's truly mesmerizing. The renowned Jurong Bird Park in Singapore was rebranded and reallocated to the new Mandai Wildlife Reserve, opening as Bird Paradise on May 8, 2023. Now we see the great green macaw, mainly found in Central and South America. Now we see the amazingly beautiful scarlet macaw. This is a vibrant neotropical parrot known for its brilliant red, yellow and blue plumage. Native to humid evergreen forests from Mexico to South America, these intelligent birds are famous for their long tails, powerful beaks and loud calls. These are the hyacinth macaws, its world's largest flying parrot. They may reach up to 1 meter in length with stunning cobalt blue plumage and vibrant yellow skin around its eyes and beak. Native to the central and eastern South America, these intelligent gentle birds have incredibly powerful beaks capable of cracking hard nuts like coconuts. The sun conure is a burst of sunshine in motion, glowing with fiery yellow, orange and green feathers. Playfully loud and full of personality, these cheerful parrots light up the aviary with their energy and expressive calls. We loved the wetlands and spent a lot of time here. After this, we slowly walked towards the wings of Asia. This is a tranquil, immersive South Asian themed walk-in aviary featuring bamboo groups and rice terraces. An African grey parrot welcomes us to this new section of Heart of Africa. These are highly intelligent, medium-sized birds native to the West and Central African rainforest. They are renowned for their exceptional ability to mimic human speech. They are considered one of the smartest birds with cognitive abilities comparable to a 5-year-old child. This great crowned crane is large crane species native to the sub-Saharan Africa. The red bishop is a small 10 to 11 centimeter weaver bird found in Africa. Using his thick conical bill, he meticulously weaves together long, thin stripes of grass or reed leaves to create a sturdy, woven structure. It's an amazing sight when he hangs upside down from the half-built nest, fluttering his bright wings and singing a buzzing song to attract females. The great blue turaco is the largest species in the turaco family, measuring 70 to 76 centimeters in length. They are native to the African tropical rainforest. They are found in Central and West Africa. We meet the shipmaker's crown pigeon as we enter the mysterious Papua section. The colorful Lories and loricates greet us as we enter the Lory Loft section of the bird paradise. Perched like it belongs there, the vibrant rainbow lorikeet refuses to leave the man's shoulder, whispering a story of trust between human and bird. Hidden deep in the green heart of the bird paradise, the national bird of Peru, the Andean cock of the rock, appears like a living flame. Its orange crown and bold presence turn the forest into a natural stage. With every movement, the iconic bird reminds us why nature is the greatest artist of all. Now we see some blue and yellow macaw, also known as the blue and gold macaw, with the other colorful macaws. These macaws is also native to the forest and woodland of Central and South America. Now this is the place where the jungle doesn't surround you, it sings to you. This is nature's orchestra, perfectly unscripted and endlessly beautiful. Here we listen to the soul of the rainforest. Now we again take the tram to reach the penguin cove. Now the tropics fade away and a world of ice takes over. Here we watch the penguins dive, glide and waddle with effortless charm beneath the crystal clear water. In this cool haven, every splash and shuffle brings you closer to life at the edge of the Antarctic. There is also an egg splash, an outdoor wet play area designed for little children, featuring water jets and many other slides. As our journey through the Bird Park Singapore comes to an end, the colors, calls and quiet wonder stay with us. Until the next adventure, keep exploring, keep listening to nature and let your love for wildlife take a flight. I hope you have enjoyed the vlog. This video is for entertainment and informational purpose only. All travel experiences and recommendations shared are based on our personal opinions and experiences. We make no representation or warranties of any kind expressed or implied about the completeness, accuracy, reliability or suitability of any information contained herein. Any action you take upon the information from this video is strictly at your own risk. Viewers are advised to conduct their own research and exercise due diligence before traveling. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.